Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing two packages. One package is going to be my new SteelSeries headset that I have been procrastinating to buy for months now since I returned my last pair. And then the second package are going to be lights for my setup so I can record gameplay and stuff like that. Package one. I'm pretty sure these are the lights, I want to say. Second package. Boom. And I'm certain this is my headset. Yeah. So let's switch over to my other camera. Same camera. It's the same camera. Bam. Here we go. Hopefully I won't have to zoom out. Let's just tear her open. Ooh. Was I right? Yes, these are my lights. Bought these off Amazon. I will put the screenshot up on the screen. Okay, here's the first light. There's a second light. If you guys can see. And the stands. User manual. I believe these are the stuff you can put in front of it. Alright. So let's see. I'm gonna put it together. I'm just gonna do like a I'm gonna do a, what do you call it? I'll just do the edit. Ooh. Oh, that didn't go back in. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to assume. Wait a minute. Huh? Wait a minute. Where? Is that it? Wait. Wait. Let's see. Man, I might just make this a silent video. I might just make this a silent video because I did it. Let's zoom out. I did it. Okay, that's the first one. Oh my gosh. Somebody is calling me. Yeah, I think this is gonna turn into a muted video because Alright guys, so now we're back. I turned off all the lights, window is closed, the camera's doing its own little lighting. That's why it's so bright in here. I can assure you it is dark. Got our handy dandy little thing. This is how long it is. I thought it'd be longer. I thought it would be longer, but I tested it out and these are pretty good. So let's turn it on. That's not freaking OC. Oh. This is how bright the room is. Now this is how bright the room is with me using the thing. Hi. So yeah, and this isn't, I don't think this is the brightest setting. I don't know if it resets. Let's see if it resets, but it could get brighter. Brightest setting. Lowest setting. There's 10 settings, so that's 1. Ooh. Oh yeah. This is nice. This is a good light. This is a good light for sure. Yeah. It doesn't have like a warm setting or anything like that. It's just the white. There's the blue cover. There's like this blue cover, goes over, makes everything blue. And then there's a red cover. Slide it in, makes everything red. Damn, I just kind of blinded y'all, sorry. Overall, I'd say it's a good light for sure. Let's do an off and on test. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a good light. Overall, the light, good. Like the light, lights gonna be fun. Oh, I'm gonna have some fun. Yeah, all right. So now we are going to unbox the headset I got. Now we do that all over again. Alright guys, we just finished unboxing the Arctis Nova 5X wireless headset. We're gonna do a fit check right now, see how they feel. I have owned these. Ooh, okay. This is how they're looking. Ear coverage is killer. Which side is the mic on? Mic is on this side. Pull out the mic. Bam. Okay. Okay. I owned a pair of these before. You know what I can do? I can plug the mic up to my headset. I can plug this in. Wait, these aren't even on. I have to turn it on first. Here we go. Okay. Hopefully y'all saw that. Oh, it still beeps. Never mind. There we go. It is now on. Now I wonder. Okay. Now I wonder if it's connected. So, oh wait. Yeah, I can hear myself. So hopefully it picks up on the phone. Hopefully it picks up on the phone. I forgot to film an outro, so I'm doing it now. Post editing the entire video, and I forgot to do an outro. So if you like the video, please leave a comment, leave a like, maybe subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Next one's probably going to be a gameplay upload. Yeah.